Hey, I just shot a new video and I really want to record the whole editing process. Okay, so now the audio file was recorded using QuickTime and I am saving it in a new folder. The new folder name is today's date, 27 May 2020, and it has a specific reason or topic of the video, that is set and forget promo, set and forget bonus. All right, so that's it. I want to save it. Save the name, Control C and create. So this is the folder, and I want to save as audio file. All right, and just save it. It will be saved as m4a.m4a file. And now my card reader is inside. I mean, the memory card from my camera is it's here. So I'm going to take this file, copy, and I will go to same folder and paste items. Now this will manage disk space. Okay, fine, awesome, not a problem, because I'm going to delete some of them, and I'm going to pause this video, by the way, while deleting. All right, I have deleted, and the file is copying. There's a big file. It's like 10 gigabyte size. Well, super awesome, super awesome, super awesome. What's going on? It's uploading since 24 minutes ago. In any case, in the meantime, I'm going to open Adobe Premiere Pro, and where is Adobe? Here. I have to create a new project. Where is that? No, I need it in another monitor, by the way. Yeah, so it's Untitled, doesn't matter. To select today's folder. All right, and I'll go editing files. This is the new folder where I'm going to save all the Premiere files, and then hit OK. That's it, and the file is also copied. Now I'm going to import both the sound file and video file. Import. Okay, done. Now I'm going to first drag and drop the video file on the timeline, and then the MP4 sound file from here to here. Right. Now I want to delete this once, okay? Just to make a space. So delete track and also delete track. It's cool. Now I'm going to sync these three files. One sound file comes with the video, another file the separate. Right, as you can hear, if you are hearing this, and you know there are three different, all right, three different files, two different sounds. So we need to sync all of them. How to do that? Select all three, go to clip in the menu, and then hit synchronize. And you have to find out which one works. Yesterday I saw this option works for synchronizing. Sometimes you may see error like this. Let's try and show you the error. You see this error could not synchronize. So we are going to use another settings. You can use and try. Now I learned yesterday that this one worked for this type of file. So I'm going to click. And you see they are automatically synchronized. Now if I run this timeline,
without additional work, without additional investment,
this is only one sound. So I'm going to delete this default sound file that came with the audio, with the video, and I'm going to split, remove the section that has no sound. looks like I started from here. Okay, that's cool. So I'm going to zoom in, make it bigger so I don't make mistake, and hit C or this blade tool. There is a blade tool somewhere here. Yeah. So the blade tool is snapping. So it will snap on where this bar is. So click and click. Now V, the select tool, select both of these files and delete. Now I'm going to drag and drop both of them to the beginning of the timeline to make my life easy. All right, and looks like,
Hey, this is Mosh Barry. Welcome to this money making video.
awesome. Now I want to click here, effects, or I will go to Windows and I'll go click effects. When I do, the effects panel will open. From here I will search denoise. This will find out denoise. Now I want to remove all the noise from this file, so drag and drop on the sound file,
I'm so excited to share this with you.
and the quality drastically improved. Now let me remove this part as well because we don't really need this part. Okay, and again drag to the beginning of the timeline.
Hey, this is Mosh Barry.
Awesome. Now save. Super awesome. Now if I want to improve the sound quality, I'm going to select here and go to sound, right, audio, and from here I will have more options to select and all.
Welcome to the
Okay, I may delete this as well, delete track. So there will be only 2 tracks here to read.
this money making video. I'm so excited to share this with you.
Now as long as you see the green color, it's fine. Once if you increase this gain,
Completely free.
and you see
So I'm going to share the whole
orange
strategy
or
with you. And I even
yellow, orange or
put notes
red,
here
see
so I
this one
don't
is
miss
red.
anything. Okay, so this is the first stage. You're going to make
That is
money
bad for sound
for
quality.
free,
So make sure
with
it
free
stays in
tools
green
mostly.
and
And you
below
don't need a
yellow.
website, and you don't need
It's
a
fine
project,
now.
you don't
I
need
know
a
the
list,
video. For this
but
video it's
you
fine.
will be generating mailing list if you want.
Awesome.
Anyway.
Now just leave it and stop. Okay. I'm going to edit the color. So for color editing, I'm not going here and there. I'm simply going to click the color option here. All right, let me show you here, color. And when I do, a panel will open that is lumetri color. If it doesn't open, I can go to window and click on this lumetri color. This will open. And then you see this basic correction input LUT. I will click none, the drop down menu, click browse and find the LUT wherever I saved it. So the LUT is saved in 13th May folder. I know that, and I want to use this LUT here. All right. And this one is click open, boom. The job is done.
If you want to invest,
Actually, everything is done. Okay. Now, if you want to change it, all right. So we can end this video here. How to use LUT, and that's it. How to use LUT, and that's it. Job is done. But in case you want to try other LUTs, then here is a way. Okay. There is another LUT. This is another one of my LUTs. Okay. This is kind of different. It has a different what do you call exposure and different contrast. Another one is orange LUT. Okay, this is orange LUT. This is another type of LUT, but I personally like this one, the final one, the my teal LUT. It has a teal tone, or you can say teal mood. Okay, now if you want to do it manually, then there is an easy way to do it. First, go to contrast, all right, high, and then change the color. Make sure you have the lumetri scopes open, and from here you see it's orange, it's not pink, or it's not green, or it's not blue. The top is red. so it should not be pink, remember that. Now I'm just putting it outside, and I want to make sure the orange is dominant because orange is the skin tone. So now if you look at the scope here where my face is, red is dominant and not pink, not green, so it's kind of orange. And then this one is hue versus sat, and this is a hue versus hue. Hue versus sat gives you opportunity to change any color, increase and decrease any color. So let's say I will select a color, let's say my skin color, and the skin color is here, and I can increase or decrease it. So this is how I can increase the color, and this is how I can decrease the color. All right, so increase the color. And there is another option that is hue versus hue that will replace the color. So let me just reset it first. All right, reset. Click this color, and you can change this color to, you see this changes, color is changing. So color replacing. Right. Now that is it. That is pretty much it. Okay, for color correction, and the job is done. Now just delete all the keys and remove attributes. Yes. Now we're going to simply go to basic correction, use the LUT, and the job is done. Boom. Now we're going to render it. So for rendering, we need to zoom out, select the beginning of the video, and click this little bracket here, mark in, and then go to the end of the video where we want to end, and then mark out. And if you just move the mark in, mark out, that will snap the section. Okay, that will snap here. Let me, yeah, it snapped. Done. So when we render the video will be from here to here, and that's it. Now go to File, Save, then go to File, Export, Media, and the export settings, make sure it's H.264, and then preset. As I'm going to upload it on YouTube, and as this original file is 1080p full HD, I'm going to select it. Output name will be today's date and final. Set and forget bonus final. Review and bonus final. Save. Before exporting, make sure you click use maximum render quality. Now you can see the estimated file size as well. It's 1.9 megabyte, 1.9 gigabyte. It's okay, and all kept same. Then click export, and the job is 100% done. It's exporting as a video file. Once this exporting is done, depending on the quality of the computer, it will be a video file, and it can be uploaded and used. That's it. Thank you.